I started experiencing pain in my right hip probably around 2010, about 10 years prior to seeing Dr. Lackey. I had testicular cancer in 2000, and I think just going through that process of radiation and treatment sped up whatever deterioration was happening in the hip socket. My father had 2 knee replacements in 2014. I watched him kind of go through the process and the care he received. Dr. Lackey has such a great bedside manner, so knowledgeable, and definitely something that changed his life, much like it changed mine. The thing that stood out to me in my consultation with Dr. Lackey is that what he told me was, you'll know when you're ready. It's not like we recommend surgery tomorrow. You will let me know when you're ready. I think my surgery, if I recall right, was around 7:30, and I was sitting at home eating breakfast by 11. That was probably the most shocking part of it all, how quickly I was in the process, the procedure, through recovery, and back home actually sitting at the kitchen table. But just to be on my feet again and mobile 4 hours after having that procedure done was a complete, really honestly, surprise that I was able to be on my feet that quickly. I can do anything. I mean, there's no limitations to it at this point, so I'm back to doing the things that I've always done.